Yo guys, welcome to another trading day. We have sent out our signals. We sent the signals, and these are the results. Slowly, just steadily going into profits there, entering the Wednesday, I should say, morning. So yeah, just like we spoke about last week, these signals are fire. Just as soon as the market starts to stabilize after Tuesday there, and here are the results. We do have volatility indices deriv working with as well. We do have a signals group for synthetic indices, but it's not yet finished as accurate as our Forex group. So we're still waiting until finalizations for that system has completed. But soon as it has completed, um, we'll be able to update you, and then signals will be resumed being sent out to that group. Whoa, and as you can see, guys, this is the power of Pablo Pips Effect signals. We're at $28 in profit. As you can see, market took a huge jump there, and everything is just fire blue. I mean, I told you guys, right? I told you guys, Pablo Pips FX is not an ordinary signal group, guys. As you can see, we send out chart analysis, we show our entries, we show our take profits, we show the max reward that you're getting for that trade you're entering, right? We gave you three take profit levels, and we're using superb risk management with our signals. So looking back at our positions that we took, we're already at up to like $30 in profit just now, and market is just skyrocketing, guys. So it's a good look. Another positive trading week. We're still working on that Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday shift. Um, but at the same time, it's not necessary for us to actually get that resolved or get that perfected either. It's just that, we want to be doing the best that we can when we're doing this type of stuff. So we're just trying to get it running 100%. But already as it is, these signals, this Telegram channel is already profitable as it is without it. So I mean, price is now fluctuating, but that spike we just saw is a good sign that price will be going in our way. So I think I'll keep holding these trades just to see how they play out later today. But I have high hopes for these positions, and congratulations for all those people who entered these trades. You must be bagging those pips right now. So well done, well done. Yeah, so I mean, I'm trying to make this like a daily thing to provide you guys updates, trying to stay consistent with all that. So but yeah, guys, these are the results. If you're not already part of our YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube. We break down the analysis, how you use these signals, how you enter these signals. Not that you really need the analysis, but just knowing the analysis gives you a better understanding of market structure, and the positions are the chart patterns you need to look out for before entering the market. So we're giving really a lot of sauce here, guys. So if you're into that stuff, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and also join the Telegram group while it's still free. Pablo Pips Effects, I'm out.